You're watching Waya TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
BBNaija housemate Kiddwaya dad, billionaire Waya, has denied the allegations of him buying votes from the organizers of the BBNaija reality TV show just to make sure his son gets to the final. He denied the allegations during a live session on Instagram with Ovation magazine boss Mr. Dele Momodu. He said, the billionaire stated that if Kiddwaya ends up winning the 85 million naira cash prize, part of the amount will be used to help rape victims and the people he is passionate about in the IDP camps. The billionaire added that
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Waya TV.